Hello, welcome to another video. Welcome to the channel. Today, some news. We have a door. So the door was fitted yesterday. All working, all good. I'll show you the outside in a minute. But today, we're going to be concentrating on the floor. So next weekend, I want to epoxy resin the floor. So I need to prep it. As the concrete has been tampered down, it's not quite smooth, so I'm going to grind it a little bit, and there's a couple of holes that need filling as well, so like this. And there's another one over here. Not very deep, but I want to do it right, so that's the plan. There's a little bit of ridges here. Looks like a tractor's gone over it, but it hasn't. So that's the plan today. Just going to test this. So here, it's a bit bumpy, got to fill this bit here. So I'm just going to see, here's a diamond grinding bit on my brand new grinder. BPE. Again. morning everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today's job is to prep the floor for the epoxy resin on Monday. So as you can see, I managed to get everything off the floor. Okay, there's a lot of dust, a lot of debris from works that have been going on, so I'm going to get all this dust out and then give it a good rinse down. Now this is new concrete, so it should be pretty good. It's definitely dry, so I'm going to be using the Rust-oleum kit. So I've got two kits of Rust-oleum Epoxy Shield. One kit does 25 square meters and this is 30, so I bought two kits and we're going to put it on nice and thick, because obviously this isn't totally level, but it will do. If it turns out crap, then I'll put some rubber tiles down next year, but for now, you know, this will keep the dust down and hopefully make it look a lot nicer. So as I said, today I'm going to clean it up, give it a good sweep out, wash it all down, and then I'm going to put the etch down, rub all that in with a stiff brush, and then rinse out 2 or 3 times depending on how much it needs, and then let it dry tonight and tomorrow, and then Monday I've got the day off and we're going to epoxy coat it. Looking forward to that. So for now, I bought myself a little blower, just a cheap one, and we're going to blow all the dust out. So let's go. Oh, that's not. Oh, sorry, right. I think I'll create that with a really good blower. The next step is to give it a good scrub, some water and a stiff brush, and then get the acid in it. Hopefully it's clean, so there's no oil or substance like that to contaminate it. So quick update. So I have put some protective sheeting around the edge, which I had lying around in the shed. So this is just to stop the water going up the walls, to give the wood a bit of protection. So I've done that all the way around. See. So next is to mix up the etch powder and then get cleaning the floor. Hi, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to epoxy coat the floor, and we're using this. So the Rust-oleum Epoxy Shield. So the garage is 30 square meters. This kit does 25, so I bought two kits. So I'm going to lay it on a bit thicker than normal. Watching all the YouTube videos from America, they do come up a bit short, so two kits should be ample. So we have part B, part A, which need to be mixed together, then stirred, left for about 30 minutes, and then we're cutting around the outside, and then use the roller brush to do the floor. And we got some nice decorative chips. So let's get mixing, and then we're going to time lapse. Okay, ready?
Smelly.
Smelly? Is it? Hopefully, this won't be too hard. Okay.
It's like cake mixture.
Yeah.
Careful then. What are you going to do it now?
There's a bucket outside. I need a bucket of water. Welcome back. It's now 2 days since we laid the floor, and here's the result. quite a nice semi-gloss to it. Nick it down low.